Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload. So yes guys, to the already subscribers, a part of my YouTube family, welcome back to another video. So yes, today I'm here to show you a simple tutorial on creating this look. Yes, so without further delay guys, let's get started.
Okay guys, so I have already primed my face, moisturized, cleansed, toner, everything of the basic has been done. Actually I have also done with my eye makeup. I'm so sorry, I thought my phone was recording, but unfortunately when I realized that my phone isn't recording this video, this part of the eye makeup, it was already that I was done with 3/4 of the eye makeup. So I thought, okay, let's begin with the next step instead of it's a little difficult to do everything completely all over again, right? So that's the reason I just gave up on that part, and I thought of beginning with just a simple face makeup. So here I'm using the Wet n Wild concealer palette, and I'm using the green corrector to cover my acne marks. So as you can see, I'm just covering all my pimple marks with the green corrector. Yes, it's going on and on and on. Let's wait for me to finish off with the correction. And seriously, I just love this part because the way your face looks green color, imagine you cover that same color throughout your face, and you would look like an alien, right? Here I'm now using the peach corrector to cover up my dark circles and all those pigmentation marks and all of that. I'm using the NY Babe peach corrector, and the peach corrector is in the shade, give me a minute guys, I just don't know, I have placed it somewhere, I'm not able to find it right now. Yeah, the peach corrector is in the shade Backstage Glow in Peach number 17, and this is one of the most inexpensive product, I must say. Its actual MRP is 175, but you will get it on Purple for less than 100 rupees. So yes, I'm using my normal foundation brush, I could say, to just blend all of those in. So blending, blend it well, my dear. Yes guys, it's just blending now. A lot of blending was required because yes, it took some time. Actually I had bought this Wet n Wild concealer palette a long time ago, but I hardly have used it. So yeah, it took some efforts to blend in. It was not getting blended easily, but I must tell you, my goodness, the concealer is so creamy, my goodness, it was amazing. So now I'm going to use a concealer to again conceal a few pimple marks on my forehead and few marks. Actually the corrector that I used just gave me a basic color correction, I could say, but I just wanted something that would cover even better, so that's the reason I'm using the Blue Heaven concealer. Well, I don't like the coverage of this one either. I'm just thinking of getting a better concealer. Guys, if you could suggest me some good concealers, that would be really awesome. Yes, I have been using these two concealers. I mean, I want something that's more economical, not the too expensive one like the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and all of that. I want something less expensive but that really works really well. I'm thinking of getting the Maybelline liquid concealer. So let's see how it goes and what happens. So yes, now I'm using the concealer to conceal all of that extra pimple marks that are still showing, and I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender, and I'm going to blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it. Well, this is I actually had this beauty blender dipped in, so it was not exactly doing the job because it was a little bigger for me right now. So if you could see, I'm going to use my fingers to finally blend in this properly. And here the twist of this is I'm not going to use any translucent powder today. I'm not going to use any foundation today. It's just going to be some color correction, some concealing, and then some compact for the makeup. And it's not a heavy makeup, so I just feel it's the perfect festive look for all of those teenagers out there, all of those college going girls, for those girls who are just looking for something really simple that would not really make it a big thing for you to look, or something that's really very budget friendly as well. You don't have to spend a lot on all of these products. I have tried using as much minimum products as possible that are just below maybe 200. Yes guys, all of the products that I've been using is very economical kind of products. So I'm just going to blend in that concealer on my eyes as well. But one thing to keep in mind whenever we use any liquid concealers, liquid products, is that they have to be blended really well. If not, they might just look really bad, so be careful on that guys. Apart from that, this is a perfect college going makeup look. As you can see, the color of my eyes, one eye looks darker than the other, and that was completely covered using this concealer. It has done an amazing job, I must tell you. It has really covered up everything so really beautifully well. So I'm going to blend the other eyes as well. I'm sorry this is taking some time because I just didn't want to usually all my makeup tutorials I speeden it up, but this was something that I could just finish off in 15 minutes, and I thought it's good if I keep it in a normal speed, because a teenager or someone who is new to makeup will definitely want to know everything really well. And if I speed up the process, maybe you would not get what you really wanted. So that's the reason I just have made this video in a normal speed. So yes, I'm just trying to blend out everything with my fingers, and the next step I'm going to do is okay, it is going to be the compact. I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Compact, and this is the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Compact with SPF 23 and with UVA and UVB protection. This retails for 185 rupees, but I'm sure I got it at a discount, and I'm in the shade 05 Beige Honey. So yes guys, as you can see, I'm just applying the compact. You get a applicator with this, but I am more comfortable applying this with a brush because it comes off easily and it's much easier to apply. So guys, yes, I'm done with all of that. I was just checking how it looks on the camera, and trust me guys, trust me, my eye makeup is something that I am completely in love with today. I'm not sure it's not showing up really well on the camera, but yes, I will be adding the image of it at the end of this video, or maybe I will add it in the beginning. somewhere in the middle so that you guys can see my eye makeup before we start with the video. So yes, I am done with the compact. The next step I'm going to do is seriously guys, you don't understand when there is no proper camera holder. It's quite difficult for me to adjust the camera. So yes, now I'm going to do my contouring, and for the contour I have just used the Stay Quirky lipstick, and the lipstick is in my shade. That one I have used is shade number 19, Erotic Secret Message. This is one of the trick you could use. Suppose you don't have a contour, you can just use a brown color lipstick as a contour. Yes, and it does the job really well. So yes, here I've used the contour, the lipstick as a contour, which is a really good option, and anyone could try. If usually these days the trending in the list is the nude lipstick, so brown color lipstick is not a difficult task to find, is what I feel. So yes, I'm doing the contour with the brown lipstick, which really works well. As you can see how well it looks on my face. So yes, I'm just blending in that contour now. You guys might be able to see how you need to blend in the contour as well, and how you need to apply the contour is also very important, guys. Seriously guys, it's easy to talk while you apply makeup rather than putting a voiceover, I guess. What do you guys think? Literally it's just 12 minutes of this video and I'm already tired of speaking for the complete video already. Yes guys, that's true. I'm really very tired because literally I can feel my mouth drying out because it's already so much of the video and so much of the talk for the voiceover, and I don't even remember what I did next. I have to wait for the video to get in that particular part to see what I did next. So the next part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a blush, and this blush I have used is from Blue Heaven. Hopefully it turns out to be a blush because till now I'm not sure. Yes, it must be a blush. Yes, it is a blush from Blue Heaven, and this one is the Diamond Blush On, priced at 125 rupees for 7 grams, and this is in the shade, give me a minute, I will just let you know the shade name. Well, I'm not able to find the shade, but yes, it is sort of a pinkish shade. Yeah, it is. There's no shade name actually. I'm not sure if there is only one shade, but yes, it has got glitters in glitter particles, but they are not too chunky either. They just give the right amount of blush on your cheeks. I'm also applying it on my nose tip so that it gives that perfect color. I mean, it looks good actually. I love this, except for a smell, I could say the smell is quite, that talcum powder smell, but rest of it is really good, which is very positive thing about this. And now I'm going to use a highlighter. I'm using the highlighter from Wet n Wild. It's a Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, one of my favorite highlighter of the decade. I mean, it is like I don't know, ever since I've bought it, I've not been able to use any other highlighter. Well, right now I just remembered that I forgot to highlight my lips, Cupid's bow. Yes, and yes, I'm done applying the highlighter, and I'm just applying it wherever possible. And yes guys, I'm done with the highlighter, final touch up you could say, and you can see how my face looks right now. Please let me know if you like this face, okay? And the final touch up and the basic thing any girl would want is the lipstick. Here I'm using the purple shades of Love lipstick primer and matte lipstick, but it's not matte lipstick guys, let me tell you. It is a creamy matte, but I love the packaging guys, it's amazing. And I'm using the shade Wine Date 7. This one is little bit of cheating is fine, right? I have used one product which is a lipstick more than 200 rupees. This one retails for 399 rupees, but you will definitely get it for discount on purple.com. I love the pigmentation guys, it's amazing. It's a lovely pigmentation, the color is so beautiful, it is my favorite shade. And yes, I love the way it looks. So please let me know how this one looks. And yes, I'm done with today's makeup. Ta-da-ta! It is good, right? So yes, I will just be back on the final touch up guys, after the final touch up. And yes, here I am. Please let me know how you like this look and how beautiful it is. By the way, happy Dasara guys, happy Dasara. And this could be the final look you have created, and please let me know how you like this look. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon. If you are not subscribing to my channel, please let me know the reason you don't want to subscribe. I will definitely work on it so that I can improve. I know I'm a new YouTuber, new improvements are required and it is very important. So yes guys, that's it for today. Until my next video, see you again. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all.